to help her.
What does she have in her hand?
A comb.
Oh.
You gonna open, Prezi? You want me to help? Hold on to it. None of help.
Pretty. Who's this say? Doodle. To Doodle.
Who's it from? Odin?
It's from Brother.
It's from Brother.
From Brother. Except let me get another set. Oh.
Brother.
Okay, put on this
Brother's
one.
not even here to see it.
Oh. Oh, these are pretty. Now, take this.
You rip into it.
Then go like this.
Okay, there you go. Put it aside. You go.
Open
Go
it
ahead.
up. Or you don't need to. Take this side.
There you go. Jocelyn, rip the paper. Go. Like that.
What's in there? What is
Let
it?
her see.
What is
Let her
that?
do it. What'd you get?
Oh,
Oh.
nice.
What else is in there? You read it?
Princess and mermaids.
There's something else.
What else? There's something else. Look. Oh, I used to love these things. Yeah. Oh, got it? Oh, 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 there you
Good
go.
job.
Oops, got a little more left.
What's that?
That's one of those etches.
Etch-a-sketch.
They're nicer than they used to be.
Let's open it. Say thank you, brother. You say thank you? All right.
Should we open this? If I can get up.